Hi, my name is Paul Lewis. I'm a professional puppeteer living here in Miami, Florida. We have two pieces of anti-pill fleece over here, kind of orange in color. First thing I want you to do is I want you to take a screenshot of that right now and hold on to it, because these are going to be your patterns for your head, your torso, and your arms for your puppet. Sew the outlines, leaving the opening in the mouth and leaving an opening at the bottom of each side for the arms. Now after you've sewn both pieces, you're going to go ahead and cut the outline, but please cut on the side where the thread is. What I want you to do is I want you to take each one and turn it inside out. Do that with the headpiece, and also do that with the arms. Next, what you want to start doing is you want to start taking a little bit of polyfill and you want to start stuffing the arms. I have here a juice box, and I've cut it into sections, kind of a half circle here and kind of a triangular oval type of half shape here, and put the two together by some tape, leaving some space in the middle so it has some bend. And on the other side, I've covered it with some dark material. I just basically glued it, and we're going to insert it into our puppet's head. Be really, really careful when doing this, because you don't want to burn yourself. So we've now glued the mouthboard to the top and the bottom part of the puppet, and we're going to take a little piece of rubber and cut it into a heart shape like this. And if you want to get fancy, you can put maybe a little line in the center, and it could be your tongue for your puppet. And put a little hot glue right there, and just stick it where you want. You could take some stuffing and just stuff it into the top of the head and fill it out the way you like. We're going to take some styrofoam balls, and we're going to cut them in half like this. And you're going to take each one and you're going to put some hot glue from the edges to the center and just stick them on the character like so. Next thing I'm going to do is I want to add a nose. So you can take one of the halves of another styrofoam ball and cover it in the same material that you made the body out of it, and just put some more hot glue and stick it where you want it. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to add some pupils on these eyes, and I like to use little Velcro tabs. They're adhesive tabs that you can buy in any craft store. We're going to take some black rubber and cut it into a shape like this, and really to make the difference between a boy and a girl puppet, you really want to have some eyelashes for your girl puppet. I like to use boa, and I think I'll put it kind of that length like that. Some hot glue right across, and I'm just going to glue on her hair. I want you to take each arm, and right at the top I want you to put some hot glue on the edges of the arm, just like that. And I just want you to stick it on the side of your puppet. So once you've glued on the arms and added some clothes, a dress, a shirt, whatever you want, you'll find that you'll have a really cute little girl puppet. This has been Paul Lewis. Thank you for watching.